continuing from the previous video, so in the next option, there will be a request advice button. After clicking on that, user will be directed to the add new consultancy request page. So yeah, that is basically easy. We have to just create a button over there, and that will we will make that button a hyperlink, and it will automatically connect the user to another page where user will be asked to enter some details for adding a new consultancy request. So I understand that there will be some auto-generated request over there, and after clicking on each request, user will be able to request details such as submitted question details, date, time, and request number and status. Yes, I understand that. Here it will contain some text box. Here it will ask the portal will ask the user to enter those details, and after that there will be, I believe that there will be a button that will allow the user to submit the request. And yes, I understand that there will be a option that will show the required details from lawyer regarding a particular request. Yes, that will be able to easily implement. And yes, I understand that there will be some options for attaching documents or write a description or reply text. Yes, that will be contain a text box, I believe, and we will be able to integrate that. And when the request is completed, customer will be able to view submitted advice from the lawyer and able to take print out of the website logo and lawyer signature. Yes, this thing is what happens when the request is completed. So yes, I understand that the advice that the customer will receive from the lawyer, it will contain the logo of the website and also lawyer signature, and user will be able to print the advice. So we will have to implement a button for this that will allow the user to print that. So for that, I believe that the user can either print it in a PDF or doc file, or he can choose to print it as a physical printing. And you want to implement a print preview option as well. So yeah, that will be easily implemented. For before printing the document, the user will be able to check the document once. And request new consultation or new question. The customer client user will be able to create new consultancy request. Yes, I understand that will be done from the request advice button over there. A customer user will require to enter following details such as select area of law, enter request title, enter your legal question. User can upload a file and can submit to get your answer. Yes, as I have already mentioned you before that there will be some required details that have to be filled in by the customer, and after filling those, there will be a submit button, and once clicking on submit, the request will be sent to the lawyer. And the customer will be able to make payment of consultancy fee by using online payment. Yes. So what we will integrate in this portal, that after placing a request, the customer will be redirected to the payment page. So here we will integrate some payment gateways such as PayPal, Stripe payment gateway, or any other payment gateway that you want to integrate. We will integrate those, and after that, there will be a consultation fee for each area of law. And after that, after selecting the area of law in the previous page, the customer will have to make the payment that has been already declared, and after that the request will be sent to the lawyer. Customer can apply promotion code. Yes, there will be a apply promo code tab over there. Customer will have to click on that tab, and after entering the promo code, they will have to click on apply, and they will get the discount on the consultancy fee. After successful payment, consultancy request will be submitted, and the user will be able to view success message such as thanks for submitting your request. You will get your advice from legal expert within 24 hours. Yes, I believe that you want this message to be viewed in a message box or in a tab over there. So yes, we will be able to do so that after the payment, the user will get this success message, and we will also provide the user a consultation request number and the consultation fee payment that has been paid by the user will be transferred to the administrator account first. The request will go to the legal advisor registered in selected area or of law or preferred categories. Yes, I understand that the lawyers who are registered in a particular category or category area of law, they will receive the request, and after they provide the advice for that, they will receive the payment from the administrator itself. So yes, that can be done. And yes, another thing I want to mention, as I have understand that if the user does not get the advice from a legal expert within 24 hours, that request should be cancelled, and after that the user will get the refund. We will be able to integrate that thing also. Please let me know if I am wrong with this. It's just my understanding that I am sharing with you. Please let me know if I am wrong, and please let me know if any other changes you want to make over there. The lawyer profile, after the acceptance or request from lawyer side, user will be able to view lawyer profile details such as name, profile photo, area of law, average star rating. Yes, I understand that when a request has been in the lawyer side, if the lawyer accept that request, then only the user will be able to see the details. So yes, we will be able to integrate this thing. There will be a accept request button. After accepting the request, the user will be able to see the doctor details. Either the page will be blocked or the user will not be able to see the details. It will be kept private. And submit a dispute or refund request. Customer can request for refund and consultation if response of the consultation is unsatisfactory. Okay, I understand this thing that from the history section, the total request history, there, if the customer is not happy with the consultation, then the customer will be able to request for a refund. So yes, we will be able to integrate that thing also, and for that the customer will have to enter the reason and description such as the unsatisfactory points. Yes, I understand that those things, because those are necessary, as the administrator have to go through that, and the administrator have to let the lawyer know about this, and then he can only refund the amount. And yes, I understand that once the customer submit this form, the admin will be notified by email. So yes, it can be done. And in the reviews and rating section, so we have already implemented this thing in the application that I was just telling you about, as Bhet Redirect application. This is the application. I have already shared the link with you. So after the chat session or the consultation session, what happens? The user will get an option to review the veterinarian, or the veterinarian will also get an option to review the user. So basically this thing you want over here. So yes, we will be able to integrate that also. And payment history, customer will be able to see the payment history of all submitted requests along with amount. Yes, I have already said you that the request history. So, and another thing that you want to able you want the customer to be able to view or download invoice. So let me show you another one of our project. That project is named Remarso, 360-degree Remarso. It is a virtual to creating website. In this website we have implemented this thing, that is the downloading the invoice. Let me show you. So as you can see, this is the invoice over here, and we have implemented this thing that we can download this invoice as a PDF format. If you want any other format also, we can integrate that in your project also. And my profile section, so I believe that my profile section will look somehow like this. Just let me show you once. I believe that my profile will contain these things like full name, email, phone number, date of birth, gender, position, and social media settings, and also there will be an image options over here where a user will be able to upload his image, and also there will be a logout button. Yes, we will be able to integrate that also. As you can see that we have already done this thing over here. Contact us page. I'm sorry, over here I can't show you the contact us page, but in this project of ours, that the project is named Kittens, as I've already told you. Here we have integrated the contact page. So it is basically a website, it is basically a property dealing site. So here the contact us page looks something like this, but if you want any particular feature to be added in the contact us page, we will be able to do that for you. And other things, that is the lawyer or user, the legal advisor, it will be the same as the above described homepage section. So homepage will be same for both lawyer and user, I understand that. And sign up or login, I believe this will also contain the same specifications like the user. But one thing that I have noticed over here, that the activation or the verification, it is needed by the administrator. So yes, I understand that in the user section, after OTP verification they are able to log in, but in the lawyer section, when the lawyer click on the submit button after entering all the required details and also verifying his mobile number through OTP, the message will be shown like this, that your profile creation request has been submitted to the administrator. You will be able to log in after activation, and after showing this message, what happens, that this request will be sent to the administrator. The administrator will then verify the details that has been provided by the lawyer, and then he will activate that account, or he will verify that account of the lawyer, and then the lawyer will be able to log into the system. Lawyer can log in with email address and password, and there will be also a forgot password option that will send the email that will contain the reset password link. And in the dashboard, the lawyer will be able to see the open consultations or attended consultations. These will be the tabs, I believe. There will also be a search box like previous one, so it will also contain the autocomplete feature. And lawyer will be able to view quick overview of account balance as total received amount. So I believe that this will be the consultation fees that will be received by the lawyers. So yes, we will be able to integrate that thing also. It will show the earnings of the lawyer. So it is very easy for us to do. And the consultancy request, lawyer will be able to view consultancy request in following categories as new request. Yes, the doctor will be able to see the new request or the pending request or the on hold consultations, attended or completed consultations. It will be different tabs over there. After clicking on the tabs, the lawyer will be see those, and it will be shown as a list, I believe. And in the new consultation request, what the lawyer will be able to see, the lawyer will be able to filter the consultation request on the basis of category selection such as general issues, criminal issues, labor issues. Yes, I understand that there will be filter option over there, and there will be these three options or some other options that you want to integrate, and the lawyer will be filter their search by selecting the options. There will be the sort options for the choosing the newest consultation request or the oldest consultation request. And when a lawyer is clicking on a request, so what will happen, it will show take the lawyer to the request details screen. It will show the consultancy ID, the timer that will show the remaining hours, I believe, that time that the request has been submitted, customer name, profile image, and consulted this along with attached document that will be provided by the customers. So this is basically the basic things that a lawyer will have. And other things that I have seen over here, that there will be buttons that flag the request. Yes, I understand that thing. I believe that the flag option will see something like this. So I understand that it will show something like this. We'll be able to integrate that. And I understand that all consultation requests will have 24 hours running timer. Yes, I understand that. After 24 hours, it will automatically get cancelled, the request. So yes, this will be easily implemented. We can implement all this. And if the consultation period remains for last 6 hours and no action has been taken by the lawyers, the timer turns red and admin will be notified and able to take decision for the particular request. So this is basically when a consultation request is expired, this thing will work. So yes, I can understand, and we'll be able to integrate this thing. I will discuss other features in the next video. Please watch the next video to find out.